The seasons of reflection, encouraging introspection and the practice of self-reflection as a means to gain insight, inner peace, and personal growth. Scene 1. Samuel and Lily strolled through the park's picturesque pathways, where fallen leaves blanketed the ground. It was a beautiful fall day, and the air was crisp and cool. "Grandpa," Lily said, "why do some seasons seem more introspective than others?" "Well," Samuel said, "each season has its own unique energy. In the spring, everything is growing and expanding. In the summer, we enjoy the fruits of our labor. In the fall, we reflect on what we have learned and let go of what no longer serves us. And in the winter, we rest and prepare for the new beginnings that spring will bring." "I see," Lily said. "So, is there a way to embrace solitude and reflection during the fall season?" "Of course," Samuel said. "One way is to spend time in nature. Nature is a great teacher, and it can help us to connect with our inner selves. Another way is to journal. Journaling can help us to process our thoughts and feelings, and it can also help us to gain clarity about our lives." "I'll try that," Lily said. Scene 2. The next day, Lily went for a walk in the park again. She sat down on a bench and looked around. The leaves were changing color, and the air was filled with the sound of birdsong. Lily took a deep breath and closed her eyes. She felt at peace. Lily opened her eyes and picked up her journal. She began to write about her thoughts and feelings. She wrote about her hopes and dreams, her fears and insecurities. She wrote about her relationships with her family and friends. She wrote about everything that was on her mind. As Lily wrote, she felt a sense of release. She felt lighter and more clear-headed. She realized that she had been holding on to a lot of stress and anxiety, and that writing about it had helped her to let go. Lily continued to write for a while longer. When she was finished, she felt a sense of peace and contentment. She knew that she had taken a step towards self-discovery, and she was grateful for the opportunity to reflect and grow. Moral of the story. The moral of the story is that introspection and self-discovery are important for our spiritual well-being. When we take time to reflect on our lives, we can gain clarity about our goals and values. We can also let go of negative emotions and stress and make room for peace and joy. Spending time in nature and journaling are two great ways to practice introspection. When we are surrounded by nature, we are more likely to connect with our inner selves. And when we journal, we can process our thoughts and feelings in a safe and supportive environment. If you are looking for ways to improve your spiritual well-being, I encourage you to make time for introspection and self-discovery. It may not always be easy, but it is worth it. Thank you for watching. If you admire what you see, please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free for you, but it helps to make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.